Angie, I have two quick questions.
Yes, please.
Yeah, one for the first example that you show of bringing Rhino geometry to 3JS. You said that you exported the JSON from Rhino, right? I've never done that, but is it just a default command or do you need to use a Grasshopper script?
Okay, let me open my Grasshopper. I couldn't remember clearly right now because I did like several years ago. Let me drill down a little bit. So I gave you guys like some Rhino plugin, right? Today, in the second workshop, right? So in that, actually I triggered what's happening. In that, the library, it has a multiple subset of my plugin. Then you can actually download from Food for Rhino. Here. Yeah, NJS here. Where are you? I think so. Yeah, this one maybe IO messages. Okay, let me do this. Let's say we have sphere. Oops, oh, click the sphere. Come on. Okay, sphere, and then geometry, right? And then we need to convert to mesh, right? Makes sense. Now we got mesh here, and then no. Okay, yeah, I think this. Yay, we are able to get this giant string here. Let me copy this file actually. Copy data only. I'm just curious whether it works or not. Here. Just in case, I want to check. Wow, there's a lot of vertices. Okay, let me double check. Okay, parentheses. So from here, I think I need to override all the way down. I mean, there will be much more smart way, but I'm just doing something quickly because the code pen has its own sort of limitation. Yeah. Okay, there's error. Okay, actually, you can create a simple box. That's just simple box. Then inject and copy data only, right? So select here, all the way up. Paste. What's wrong? Okay. Maybe you can go to the JSON validate link here, just in case. Oh, that's why. Huh. Really? It's validate. Okay, then can come back here. Actually, what I did is just take the safe way. Yeah, just copy and paste. Yeah. So yeah, again, there should be a smart way, but I'm never prepared. I mean, never expect you guys ask me. But yeah, here there's a library I used. So I'm just trying to remember. Probably there's the other way around to save this data, not just copy the component here. So yeah. if you have any idea to develop this plugin further, please let me know, and then I will update when I have time. Yeah. And then do you guys have any question here? Oh yeah.
Yep, got it. Thanks, MJ. I also saw the link that Philip placed on the chat. So thanks very much. So just
Yeah,
a quick question: Is JSON the best format to convert from Rhino to web?
it depends.
And okay, so what are the other options? And if assuming that we still want some interactivity when we port our Rhino models over to the web, like for example, if you click on it, you want to be able to show some
Yeah,
interactivity.
you can
What
create
is the
your
best?
own. Yeah, you can create your own sort of the special data format. Actually, this data format is my creation. Yeah, I just follow the format of JSON, but there's a meta tag and then version and type. This is just I just designed that kind of pattern.
Got
So
it.
even
And sorry,
if
just a quick one. Are the points the vertices because the numbers below seem to be if it's the vertices, it seems too many numbers for the vertices. So what are the points? Is the JSON dictionary part after the V
yeah,
in
because
your data format?
yeah, so actually, if you bake this mesh, okay, yeah, it has a lot of vertices. Can you see that? That's why we have this many.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Got it. So it's
yeah.
a mesh format. Yeah.
It's a little bit. I mean, uh, there's more beyond the visual things actually. So actually, you can optimize the vertices in the mesh, but what the component does is just literally convert. So that's why we have additional vertices, which is unnecessary. Correct. Yeah.
Got it. Thanks.
Yeah. Any other question?
Yeah. I have a question.
Yes, please.
So for the app, do you have, or for the widget in Grasshopper, do you have that on GitHub so that we could fork it and then we can request changes and then you can update it that way?
I've never thought about it. This is something private for now. Yeah, but
oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
yeah. I mean, there's a different way of thinking. Make a library to the public, because sometimes if the library put the public and then every people try to tweak them and update it, so it's become easy to I don't know. I mean, it's hard to maintain basically.
Yeah.
I mean, with one authorship, the guy can take care of all of the responsibility to dealing with the problems. So I don't know, but later, yeah, I'm the guy who wanted to share more knowledge or experience to other people. So yeah, later I will, if there's a chance, I'm definitely think about it. Yeah. Yep. Oh, by the way, also I have a C# YouTube things, but most of them is Korean. But whenever I have time, I'm trying to translate let's say create an English version of the C# tutorial. I will talk about it later at the end of this workshop. So you guys can visit my YouTube. There's some C#, let's say English version of tutorials. So I'm basically talk about like a fundamental, I mean, it's not about using the Rhino common API. As long as you understand the fundamental knowledge like a vertices and vector and connectivity, and then you can just implement it without the help from the Rhino API, which is actually good hobby, because you're gonna be free from any other platform. Whenever you need, you can create. This is just, as I said, only limitation of our imagination or experience, because we have on the full tool set in our experience of mind. So, okay, great. As I mentioned, I want to finalize all the workshop today, so bear with me.